Hi guys, so in this video I will be demonstrating my Wi-Fi controlled drip irrigation system. This is the Sonoff switch. It is connected to the AC mains and the output of the switch is connected to a 12 volts DC adapter. The output of the DC adapter goes outside the room to the solenoid valve, which you can see here, and the solenoid valve is mounted between the tap and the hose. Now when the solenoid valve gets 12 volts DC, it opens up and water starts flowing from the tap to the hose. When the voltage stops, the water supply also stops. Now I will give you a quick demo of what I am talking about here. The current state of the switch is off, and also the water is not flowing out from the drip irrigation system. Now when I turn it on, the switch has turned on, which opens up the solenoid valve and water has started flowing out. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.